Hello everybody and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 42. Today we take a look at the recent unpopular change to Google's image search. So about a month ago in Tech Tuesday number 39, we demonstrated how to use Google's reverse image search to search for specific images on the web and even identify the content of those images. Pretty awesome feature, and if you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. I'll link to it in the description. Well, things have happened recently that made it necessary for me to update that video a bit. So Google got into a bit of trouble with a stock photography website, Getty Images. They lodged a complaint against them in Europe where Google has a track record of losing, and they reached a settlement last week that will see Google change some of the things in the Google image search, most notably the removal of the view image button in image search results, and reportedly the reverse image search entirely. It's still working for me. Whenever I come in here, I still see the icon, but the view image button is gone. That part is definitely gone. Now, what's the big deal on that? Well, most of the time when you get Google image search results, you only get a small resolution thumbnail of the actual image, particularly if the image is copyrighted. So if you right click and save that image, then you're really kind of saving a low resolution version of that, and that can kind of suck if you're putting that into a presentation or you need it for a poster or something like that. So the view image button allowed you to view the original one without visiting the website. You could just click view image. It would show just the image itself, just the JPEG. That's a bit of a problem for the owners of the sites since it makes it really easy to lift the material without any kind of attribution. You bypass the main site and it deprives the site owners of page hits and ad revenues from visits. Another issue is that people were sometimes able to search for a watermarked image on Google and find it legally purchased, the one that's not watermarked, on another website, and then download that without having to pay for it. So now Google's removing that button and reportedly removing the whole search by image function entirely. Again, I haven't seen that happen yet, but they say it's coming, and thereby making it harder for users to immediately save an image. And of course, they're putting a good spin on it as a feature for the end user. Well, that caused a furor online and lead many people to threaten to use Bing. Now, hold on there a minute. I'm not sure it's gotten that bad. Sorry, Microsoft. You have a few other solutions. First, right now, as I said, the search by image button is still there for now. Second, you can use sites that tap into that function, such as reverse.photos. Yes, there's no www, no .com on that. I'll put a link to that as well in the description. And you can use that, and it actually uses Google's reverse image search function without actually having to go into there and use that button. And third, for some photos, you can still right click on that photo and say open in new tab, and sometimes that'll work and sometimes it won't. In this case, this is a Getty image, and if I did that, it would actually show Getty's website and I'd still have to go in there and try to grab that image somehow. It doesn't take me directly to it, but for other ones it does. And you can also right click and still choose search Google for image and still search Google images that way. And finally, some people have already written extensions that bring back the button. Yep, there's already an app for that. And so you actually install this extension into Chrome and it brings back the view image button and the search by image icon if that has disappeared for you, which it has for some users. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and hit that subscribe button? Leave a comment in the box below to give us an idea for the next Tech Tuesday, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.